Hey guys, you are watching Aurora's vlog. The specific lesson for today is descriptive adjectives. So I'm going to say the English words for the descriptive adjectives and translate that to Cebuano. And I will give examples on how to use that in English phrase and translate that to Cebuano. So if this is your first time watching Aurora's vlog, and if you have been following my Cebuano lesson, thank you so much for coming back. And I really do appreciate you guys. And thank you for supporting my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them down below. And thank you for watching. All right, let's get this video going. All right, let's begin with absent-minded. The Cebuano for that is kalimtanon. Kalimtanon. My dad is absent-minded. Ang akong papa, kalimtanon na kaayo. Kaayo means very much, mucho. So, like, if I say my dad is very absent-minded, then the Cebuano for that is, ang akong papa, kalimtanon na kaayo. Kalimtanon means absent-minded, na kaayo. Very absent-minded. Ang akong papa, ang akong papa, dad, my dad, is very absent-minded. Ang akong papa, kalimtanon na kayo. But in reality, no, my dad is not absent-minded. He's still very good up here. Okay, let's get going. Angry. I am so angry. The Cebuano for angry, suko. If I say, I am very angry, the Cebuano for that, suko, kaayo ko. Or you could say, galagot kaayo ko. Lagot means also angry. You know, the houses makes noises. Anyways, angry, lagot, suko. Lagot or suko is the same. So lagot, angry, suko, angry. So if I use the words angry, what the heck? These houses make so much noises and I'm the only one here right now. So let's go back to angry. I am very angry. In Cebuano, lagot kaayo ko. Naglagot kaayo ko. Big. Dako. Dako. He is big. Dako kaayo siya. Dako kaayo siya. Brave. Isog. Isog. He is very brave. Isog kaayo siya. You notice when I say very, when you add the words very into phrases, and have you noticed that the translation is kaayo? He is very brave. You could say he is brave. Isog siya. Isog siya. It's a simple word to say he is brave. Isog siya. But when you want to add the words very, he is very brave. Isog kaayo siya. Isog, brave, much, him or her. Isog kaayo siya. Broken. Broken means guba. Broken is guba. Dreams, damgo. So when I use the words broken, my house is broken. Guba ang akong balay. When you talk about position, meaning if I say my house is broken, in Cebuano, guba ang akong balay. Guba ang akong balay. My dreams is broken. Meaning, guba ang akong damgo. Guba means broken. Damgo means dreams. Guba ang akong damgo. Guba ang akong damgo. Cold. Bugnaw. Bugnaw means cold. Bugnaw. If I use the word cold, I'm cold. It would be different. Bugnaw means it's cold, but when you use that into action, like you are trying to describe how you're feeling about being cold, you have to say, gitugnaw ko. Bugnaw is cold. Tugnaw means is cold also. But if you refer it to trying to describe that you are cold, gitugnaw ko. But when you want to explain the weather, it's cold outside. Bugnaw ang panahon sa gawas. Bugnaw means cold, panahon is weather, gawas outside. Gawas outside. So let's say that again. It's cold. The weather outside is cold. Bugnaw ang panahon sa gawas. Bugnaw ang panahon sa gawas. Panahon means weather. So, all right. Let's move on to clean. Clean the table, please. Or clean the table. Clean means limpyo. When you ask somebody to clean it, limpyuhi. Clean it, limpyuhi. When you say clean the table, please, limpyuhi ang lamisa, palihog. Lamisa is table. Palihog means you are asking, you are being polite. Please, palihog. So let's say that again. Clean the table, please. Limpyuhi ang lamisa, palihog. Or you could try to say the please first in the very beginning of the sentence. Palihog, limpyuhi ang lamisa. Please clean the table. Clean is limpyo, but when you ask someone to clean, limpyuhi. Limpyuhi. Got it? All right, let's move on to conceited. In Tagalog, that's mayabang. So, conceited. In Cebuano, hambog. Hambog. You are very conceited. Hambog raka kaayo. Hambog raka kaayo. It's like you are very conceited. Hambog. All right, next. Better. You are such a better person. Better means pait. Better. You are such a better person. Pait kaayo kang pagkatao. Pait kaayo kang pagkatao. But when you use that to a kind of food, this food is better. Pait kaayo ning pagkauna. Pait kaayo ning pagkauna. Beautiful. Guapa. Maaniyag. The other words for guapa, for beautiful, people say guapa, and a lot of people use it. And there's another words for that, maaniyag. Maaniyag means it's like gorgeous. You are beautiful. Maaniyag kaayo ka. Maaniyag. So when you want to say, you are very beautiful. Guapa kaayo ka. It's very simple word to say, guapa kaayo ka. Guapa, beautiful, kaayo, very much. Ka means you. Guapa kaayo ka. Crazy. You are crazy. Crazy means buang. Buang ka. You crazy. Buang ka. You are very crazy. Buang kaayo ka. Dead. Patay. Ka means iring. Dead, patay. This cat is dead. Cat means iring. Dead means patay. This cat is dead. Patay naning iringa. Patay naning iringa. Deep. Lalum. Deep. Lalum. The ocean is very deep. Lalum kaayo ang dagat. Lalum. Lalum means deep. Dagat means ocean or sea. Lalum, or people say interchange the words, the L or the W words. So they would say lawum or lalum is the same. Lawum kaayo ang dagat. The ocean is very deep. Lalum or lawum kaayo ang dagat. Delicious. The food is delicious. Lami. Lami means delicious. Food is pagkaon. The food is delicious. Lami kaayo ang pagkaon. Difficult. You are difficult. Lisod. Difficult is lisod. The test is difficult. Lisod kaayo ang test. Or you are very difficult. Lisod kaayo ka. Lisod kaayo ka. Dirty. The table is dirty. Hugaw. Dirty is hugaw. Hugaw. The table is dirty. Hugaw ang lamisa. The table is very dirty. Hugaw kaayo ang lamisa. Dusty. Abog. The house is very dusty. Abog kaayo ang balay. Balay means house. Abog kaayo ang balay. Abog kaayo ang balay. Early. Sayo. I got up early. Ni mata ko og sayo. Ni mata means I woke up. Early. Sayo. Ni mata ko og sayo. Ni mata ko og sayo. Empty. My bank is empty. Empty means walay sulod. Walay sulod. My bank is empty. Walay sulod ang akong bangko. Walay sulod ang akong bangko. Expensive. Mahal. The milk is expensive. Mahal ang gatas. Mahal ang gatas. Fat. I am fat. Fat. Tambok. Tambok ko. Tambok ko. But when you want to say, I am very fat, tambok kaayo ko. Tambok kaayo ko. But when you want to say to someone, you are fat. Tambok ka. Tambok ka. When you want to say tambok kaayo ka, you are very fat. You are very fat. Tambok kaayo ka. All right. Last one. We will continue this next. We will continue the descriptive adjective next time. The last one is pitaka, wallet. Wallet. Wallet is pitaka in our language. Pitaka. P-I-T-K-A. Pitaka. My wallet is empty. Remember the empty words? Walay sulod. My wallet is empty. Walay sulod ang akong pitaka. Walay sulod ang akong pitaka. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this to your family or friends or anyone that you know of that wants to learn Cebuano. And thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.